Today we will see about few electrical items. LCB 2 pole 40 ampere. The brand is Hager. LCB is earth leakage circuit breaker. Earth leakage circuit breakers are used to prevent electrical shock and electrical fires caused by a short circuit or overload. It automatically shut off when leakage is detected. This is ELCB 4 pole 40 ampere. Next is MCCB 100 ampere. Molded case circuit breaker or MCCB is a safety device used to protect an electrical circuit from overload or short circuits. Okay. Next is MCB 4 pole 63 ampere, this one. MCB 3 pole 63 ampere, this one, 3 pole. And MCB 2 pole 40 ampere, this one. MCB 1 pole 20 ampere, this one. 20 ampere, there are different sizes, 10 ampere, 16 ampere and 6 ampere. These all used in electrical circuits. Okay. Actually, MCB is an automatically operated electrical switch. Miniature circuit breakers are intended to prevent damage to an electrical circuit as a result of excess current. They are designed to trip during overload or short circuit. Okay. The next one is digital timer. Digital timers are used in process control equipment to assist in process regulation. Okay, this is also digital timer. Okay, we will see about analog timer. Analog timer. Some appliances such as air conditioners and heaters use analog timers for scheduling when they turn on or off. Analog timers are to control the duration of watering systems. Analog timer. This is actually, the size is a 2 pole MCB size. Okay. Next we will see about a contactor. Single pole contactor, that is 25 ampere. Single pole contactors are commonly used in various appliances where only one phase needs to be controlled, such as in lighting systems, small motors, air conditioners, refrigerators, etc. This one is a magnetic contactor. Magnetic contactor is an electromechanical switch used in applications that require a circuit on or off process, such as starting motors, heaters and lighting applications. This one is overload relay. Overload relay is a safety device that protects your circuit against damage caused by high power loads. The relay opens if the load exceeds a certain amount, protecting the circuit from distraction. Metal box, switch box GI 3 inch by 3 inch. Okay, used as a switch box. Switch box GI 3 inch by 6 inch. This is a double. Okay. The next one is PVC wall mount switch box 3 inch by 3 inch. This is a double switch box. Next one is weatherproof switched socket outlet 13 ampere 2 gang. Okay. Outdoor purpose, this one we can use. Next one is weatherproof switched socket outlet 13 ampere 1 gang, single gang. This is also we can use for outdoor purpose electrical outlets. Switched socket outlet 13 ampere 1 gang. Normally using this one in indoor purposes. Next one is switched socket outlet 13 ampere 2 gang. as explained before. Next one is plus switch one gang one way, plus switch one gang two way. Okay, plus switch two gang one way, two gang two way. Okay, each switch backside there will be three terminals. Okay, switch one way, you can see there is only two terminal connections. Switch two way, there is two way mean there is three terminals. Okay, the next one is Clipsal. Brand is Clipsal or ABV, that is this is isolator 32 ampere single phase. Isolation switch acts as a circuit breaker on your main electrical supply so that any electrical work that is going to take place within a property can be completed safely. Okay, this is also Clipsal isolator 32 ampere 3 phase. Next one is terminal block. Terminal block is a connector. Next one is Scotch rubber splicing tape 23, mostly used in waterproof applications and all in outdoor purposes. Scotch tape 23 can be used as an insulation for low voltage application as well as an insulation for splices up to 69,000 volts. Next is Scotch rubber splicing tape 33, Scotch Super 33. Scotch 33 is designed for above below grade indoor outdoor low and high voltage applications and for harnessing cables. Next is insulation tape, electrical insulation tape, red, yellow, blue, black, green. Okay, normal, mostly everywhere in electrical applications are using this. Blank plate 3 inch by 3 inch. It is used to cover the site of old unused connection, the site of a potential connection, or just a site of a hole left by construction. Okay, the next one is blank plate 6 inch by 3 inch. It's a double. Next one is junction box one way. A junction box is an electrical enclosure one way. Just we can tell end box also. The next one is junction box two way 90 degree. Okay, LED floodlight 200 watt, IP66 240 volt. Okay, this is used for indoor and outdoor applications. Next one is pollard light. Okay, there are different shapes, different sizes, as per the intensity requirements. Okay, this is Fumagalli wall mount light. Wall mount light. This is Fumagalli lights, gate light on pillar tops, top of the pillar. This is LED vans light. Okay. It is operated in 230 volts directly. Okay, this is underwater light 12 volt. The brand name is IMAP. This is LED spotlight 12 volt. Okay, next one is LED spotlight 240 volt. It's a directly usable, there is no transformer. Okay, this is LED spotlight bulb GU 5.3 12 volt daylight. Normally they mention 6500 K, 3000 K, something like that. 6500 K is daylight. Okay, this is also a LED spotlight bulb GU 5.3 12V. the volt is 12 volt warm white. This is 3000 K. 3000 K mean warm white. Okay. Next one is the LED spotlight bulb GU 5.3, that is 240 volt daylight, 6500 K. Okay, 6500 K mean daylight. The next one is LED spotlight bulb 5.3 240 volt warm white 3000 K. 3000 K mean warm white. Okay. Next is LED strip light flat type, that is 3000 K, that mean warm white. Okay. Next is LED strip light, that is round type, 3000 K, that mean warm white. Next is LED bulb E27 15 watt 240 volt warm white, that is 3000 K. E27 base. Okay. Next is LED bulb E27 15 watt 240 volt daylight, that is 6500 K daylight. Next is LED garden spotlight. Okay. Electrical wire red 1.5 square mm. 1.5 mm square wires are commonly used for light electrical loads such as lighting circuits, sockets, and small appliances in both residential and commercial purposes. The next one is electric wire blue 1.5 square mm. Next is electric wire green yellow 1.5 square mm. Next is electric wire yellow 1.5 square mm. Electric wire black 1.5 mm square. Mostly used as a neutral line. Red, blue, yellow are used in phase line, and green yellow is used as a earth line. Okay. Next is electric wire red 2.5 mm square, mostly used in socket circuits. The picture is similar to the above shown red. Electric wire blue 2.5 mm square, electric wire green yellow 2.5 mm square, electric wire yellow 2.5 mm square, electric wire black 2.5 mm square. Next is electric wire red 4 mm square, electric wire blue 4 mm square, electric wire green yellow 4 mm square, electric wire yellow 4 mm square, electric wire black 4 mm square. 4 mm is mostly used in AC connections. We use 4 mm square. 2.5 mostly used in socket circuits. Next is cable 3 core 1.5 square mm. 1.5 square mm 3 core cable is our lighting range of cables. These lighting cables are very flexible, can be used repeatedly for connecting various lighting fixtures, used in so many applications. Okay. Cable 3 core 2.5 square mm. Okay. And next is armored UG cable for 4 core into 35 square mm. We use as main supplies and branch as well, as per the depend upon the load conditions, load requirements. Cable clamp for the above UG cable with the D boards, okay, distribution boards. Okay, cable shrouds to cover this gland it is using. Okay, cable lug F type. This is F type. Cable lug M type. Okay, wire connector 10 ampere, wire connector 15 ampere, as per the load conditions. Earth rod clamp for the above earth rod. Electrical force line Okay, ceiling rose and exhaust fan 200 mm, selector switch, junction box cover, capacitor 2.5 UF.